Hello Vivekians, it's your second day of Chapter 2 Parallels and Meridians. I'm Bharti here to teach you the next topic. But before starting, let's have a quick recap. Yesterday, we learned who proved that Earth is round, how much percentage of Earth is covered with water, and how much is land, about oceans, continents, which is the largest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean, and smallest is Arctic Ocean. About the continents, all this we have learned yesterday. Now let me ask you, have you learned the names of oceans and continents? Okay, now we will start very interesting topic today, equator and latitudes. You know, there are several lines on the map in order to make easier to locate places on it. What are these lines called? These are called imaginary lines. We draw these lines for our convenience. जो हम अर्थ को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं उनमें से one of them is equator. Equator is the line which is drawn around the center of the earth and it divides the earth into two halves. आप देख सकते हो ना, एक सेंटर की लाइन है इस फिगर में और वो दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया उसने अर्थ को, जैसे सेमी सर्कल होता है ना, अब वैसे बन गया. ठीक है, in an horizontal way which give two important parts of the earth. As you can see in this figure, the top half lies between equator and north pole and this is called northern hemisphere, and the bottom half lies between the equator and south pole and it is called the southern हेमिस्फीयर. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग मोर. आप सोच रहे होंगे मैम हेमिस्फीयर बोल रही है, होता क्या है? हेमिस्फीयर होता है हाफ ऑफ द स्फीयर. सी दिस फिगर, इक्वेटर इज द सेंटर लाइन, बॉटम साउथ पोल एंड टॉप नॉर्थ पोल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज latitudes. There are some more lines which have been drawn on the earth by taking equator as a base. We have some lines drawn parallel to the equator. As you can see in this figure, parallel means जो कभी meet नहीं करती हैं. And these are called latitudes. And they are numbered as equator as 0 degree. और जैसे जैसे हम पोल्स की तरफ मूव करते हैं तो क्या होता है, जो डिग्रीज होती हैं वो इंक्रीज़ होती जाती हैं. इस फिगर में देखो 0 डिग्री के बाद 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है ना, जब जैसे जैसे हम पोल्स की तरफ जा रहे हैं. और ऐसे ही सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में भी होता है, जैसे जैसे हम पोल्स की तरफ जाते हैं तो ये डिग्रीज इंक्रीज़ होती जाती हैं, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस फिगर. ओके, नाउ what are latitudes? These are the lines which never meet each other. They run parallel to the equator and they are divided as 90 parallels to the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels to the southern hemisphere and one which is equator. So their total are 181 parallels. Okay, along with equator. Clear? And now we will learn about the 5 important parallels. कौन कौन से होते हैं? ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन, इक्वेटर, आर्कटिक सर्कल एंड एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल. These are very important 5 parallels which you people should know. And there are the degrees mentioned here. Degree N means north, degree S means south. And this diagram you have to practice 2 times in your notebooks. This is the diagram of important parallels of latitudes. Okay, and one value based question is given to you. You have to find out the answer of it. Okay, and the same will be given in PDF also. और ये latitudes को हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? So that जो हमारा ग्लोब होता है उसमें places easily locate हो जाए. Thank you.